Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this Panasonic KX-FP101 fax machine. It weighs 8 pounds, 4.9 ounces as it weighs. Lots of plastic, so we'll count it a shred because it's fairly heavy, and I know it's not all plastic that's heavy. So we'll take this thing apart. Hopefully find some good computer boards in it, maybe some gold, and see what all makes it way up. So stay tuned and let's get it done. I don't usually do printers and fax machines and stuff like that, but this is a small one, so we will take it apart and hopefully it's quick, because so far all the ones I've done are usually not very quick. But it is a neat little small one. I picked it up, and hopefully we can get it apart for a decent amount of time and find something good. This is a sheet of metal. Look at those boards. That's a nice board. Not sure about this one, but we'll get it off. Just a plain power board. Got a couple transformers on there. Really nothing much on that board, but this is a nice one. Here's your power board, but it's got the transformers. Those got some gold, maybe pull them off, but call that a low grade board. Another hot one here. Yeah, that's a pretty nice board. Take that battery off there. Didn't want to come off. But yeah, nice little board. Get the power supply out of here. We'll get the wires cleaned up later. Pull this thing here off. Got some brass in it. Got a couple pieces of brass. Getting lighter, folks. All the screws I see on this side. fell apart on us. Little board there. Probably have to get to it from the top. I would say there's got to be a board under here, I would think. More tin shred. Some wire. There's this motor. Figure there's a screw under here somewhere. Maybe not. We'll fool with that later, getting that off. Let's try to get into this. Figure out how this thing works. Button. There we go. There we go. That's the way to do her. Heck is that? It's like a trash bag. Must have been the ink cartridge. Trash bag material. Really not a whole lot left in this. Got a speaker. I'll try to get them out. We'll go off screen to get them out. See if we can get what's in here out. Tell you what, looks like gold in through here, but I'm not sure. Screwdriver in here and see if we can pop this up. I don't see no other screws holding that in. Got some springs down there. They may go take off. There. Not sure. It's not magnetic, so that's probably stainless, I figure. Feels like it. There's a spring. They're ferrous. Piece of plastic. Huh. I don't know. Tell me, that looks like gold, but I can't really tell through there. There's a big board. I figure there's not much on it, but maybe we'll have some gold inlay on that. Figure that's stainless. That's steel. More stainless. We'll get this cleaned up off screen. Let's get this board out and see what we got. Just switches. I was hoping it'd be Mylar and gold, but it just switches. Let's pull one of these switches apart and see if we can see what's in it. That one went flying. Let's do another one. That's ferrous. Just a button. Not sure if that's gold. Not sure if that's gold or copper. Kind of looks gold. I'm not sure what else is on these. That may be silver there. I'm not sure. If you know, write in the comments, let me know. Well, I'm going to count this as a low grade board. Get these. This is probably the screen, so it's just a low grade board too. Yep, it's the screen. Has one lonely chip. This here, I figure, is just a speaker or something. I guess it's the hang up button for your phone. Pop out a port. See what's in it. Just a couple copper pieces. The spring. Alright, I'll get the rest of this cleaned up, and when we come back we'll add up and see what we get out of this. So stay tuned. We'll be back. Hey there, I want to show you this motor that was kind of neat to take apart. I had to pry this off, so I pried this here off. Then I put this in the vise and I took a hammer to it and a chisel and got this apart like that. Came apart and look, get a little bit of copper there. I mean, not a crap ton, but a little bit. So I'm gonna finish getting this stuff apart, and then we'll be back and we'll weigh stuff up. Just thought, oh, and this here was in there yet, in that plastic. When I got it out, took these screws out, and look what we got. There's gold on that. So thought that was neat. But this other, the other gold that was on the other thing was like encased in glass, so it just chipped off. But I'm going to keep that. If I ever try to refine any of it, I'll just crush that down and see if I can refine anything out of it. But I'll finish getting this apart, and then we'll be back. Okay, we are back, and as you can see, the steel is now 1 pound 13.7 ounces of steel. The stainless I have 1.8 ounces. And by the way, on the steel, I keep these rods just so I have something extra that I can punch something out with. They make really good punches. The insulated copper wire is 1.0 ounces. A little bit of brass, 0.2 ounces. We want to say 0.2. The aluminum is 0.9 ounces of sheet aluminum. The low grade boards is 10.5 ounces. The high peripheral boards is 2.2 ounces. And the little bit of copper we got out of there is 0.9 ounces. And there we have it. That's what's in a small fax machine. Wasn't a whole lot, but hey, now we know, huh? Didn't take long to take it apart. We got a couple nice boards out of it. If I found another one, I'd probably take it. I mean, it was free, so yeah. Make a couple dollars off of it, maybe. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and always a thumbs up is nice. And if you can think of anything that I can maybe try to find to scrap, we'll find it. I got some interesting things that'll be coming up soon. Some old things I got, really neat. I'm anxious to get them apart and see what's in them. I'm testing them now, seeing if they work, and so far none of the things has worked. I was told that a couple might power on, but I couldn't get nothing power on yet, so we'll see. Please stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.